welcome back to my channel Belza Janvi. So today I'm here for the share alternative video, but before moving towards the video I want to thank you all. आपने मेरा रक्षाबंधन मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो बहुत व्यूज़ हुआ, उसमें मेरे लिए बीइंग अ स्टार्टर जितना भी व्यूज़ हुआ it is the most viewed video till now. I am so happy guys, thank you so much, love you all so much कि आप लोग ने उसको उतने व्यूज़ तक पहुंचाया. Now coming back to today's video is all about the Shein alternative. ये आज इस समय सबसे हॉट टॉपिक चल रहा है कि हमें Shein का अल्टरनेटिव मिल जाए. So I found this page on Instagram. One day I was just browsing out and I saw one of the picture of their product and I found this page. I went to their page and I saw some products and the product reviews given by the customer. So I thought why not give it a try to it. But the product was almost same like a Shein and the price range of the product was also almost same. So I thought कि एक बार पहले इंक्वायरी कर लेते हैं, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि ये चाइना में मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ एंड ऑल दैट. आई डोंट वांट टू सपोर्ट एनी प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द चाइना राइट नाउ. So what texted them and from their team one of the member, I just remember her name is Anmol. She replied me. Okay, तो मैंने उनसे ऐसे नॉर्मली प्रोडक्ट के बारे में पहले पूछा कि प्रोडक्ट क्या है, कैसी क्वालिटी है एंड ऑल दैट, and they are very much flexible to reply you. And then I asked her कि all this product has been manufactured in India or in China. She replied me no, it may seems like that कि ये Chinese product है, but the product, whatever product we are posting on our page, it has been manufactured in India only. So don't worry about it. We are not selling the China product. We are also supporting our India. So why not vocal for a local? Guys, so you all guys must be thinking कि इतना सब कुछ बता दिया. Why not she is revealing the page name? Page name is Being Girlish. You must be seeing a logo in somewhere of the screen. The logo looks like this. Every product, whatever I have bought, I will leave that link in my description box. If you want to buy or if you want to check out their page, you can go through the link and you can easily find out them. Delivered on a right time, especially in this pandemic situation. If product is coming to you at right time, it's a big. And one more thing, it's a non-sponsored video. They are not paying me anything for this. Whatever product I have bought, this is all my money I have spent on it. It has been already a long introduction. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. My first product is the choker, the jewelry product which I have bought from their site. I have already review. I'm going to tell you it will be totally and brutally honest. Now it comes in the packaging like this. The cover was like this. The packaging was good enough to protect the product. You must be seeing the picture in my screen of this choker. Let me show you. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful and it will go with any of the attire, whatever you like to wear. So this is a very nice choker. It has a stone like thing in the between and it has been painted with a rhodium paint. तो ये black भी नहीं होगा, don't worry about it कि ये black हो जाएगा. No, it's not like that. ये rhodium paint से हुआ है तो ये black नहीं होगा. And it's quite sturdy also, very soft. कहीं से ऐसा नहीं था कि बहुत rough surface है कि जो चुभ रहा हो. It's not like that. बहुत smooth है, बहुत अच्छा है. I just loved it. Product thumbs up. Second product is this night suit, a beautiful night suit. You can see the beautiful paint on it, and this is the pant. This night suit, if I remember, it was just of 649. It's a very soft material. I think it's not pure cotton, it's mixed with polyester, but it is really very comfortable, really very comfortable. I just love the product. And one thing I want to say about this product कि just do not wash it in a washing machine क्योंकि ना might be ये हल्का सा fade हो जाए. If you want to wash it, just wash it with your hands. The third product is this suspender pant. This, oh my god, I just love the quality of this. I just loved the quality of this. इतना बढ़िया। द मटेरियल इज पॉलिएस्टर, very comfortable. It is my iPhone cover. This is how it looks. Silicone material. This is very nice. मेरे को इसको यूज़ करते हुए आई थिंक 3 वीक्स हो गए, 3 वीक्स। तो अभी तक तो इसमें से कुछ भी मेरे को कंप्लेन करने के लिए नहीं लगा। दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस कवर, बहुत स्मूथ है। दे हैव अ डिफरेंट वेरिएंट्स ऑफ आईफोन कवर, बहुत ही फैंसी टाइप के भी आईफोन कवर्स हैं उनके पास। So if you want to give it a try, you can give it a try. Towards my 5th product, I ordered 5 plain t-shirts, including this. This is a very nice t-shirt, very comfortable t-shirts, and it's pure cotton, जो कि बहुत अच्छा है। Deal the price to you are going to be like, oh, it is just ₹299. Just ₹299. 1 for $299, and I think 6 for $699 something. It was like this. So or 4 for $699. I'm just a bit confused. I just put everything on my description box. Now this is one of the t-shirts. My second t-shirt was this pure white. If you are following me on my Instagram page Belza Janvi, you must have seen one video on this t-shirt. Oh my god, white t-shirt is a होली ग्रे। आप इसको किसी के साथ भी पेयर अप करके पहन सकते हो। एंड प्लेन टी शर्ट्स इट्स रियली अ सेवियर। जब जहाँ कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ना, वहाँ जस्ट पुट अ प्लेन टी शर्ट एंड पेयर ऑफ योर जीन्स विद अ पेयर ऑफ योर शूज एंड यू आर गुड टू गो, जस्ट गुड टू गो। दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस टी शर्ट। माई थर्ड कलर इज मरून, like this. It's little bit stretchable, can say, not that tight कि आपको uncomfortable feel हो. It's a very nice t-shirt, little bit stretchy and pure cotton. And this is the grey one. I have also already made a video in this t-shirt, my pigmentation video. If you have guys already seen that video, you must be remembering this t-shirt that I have worn in that. I just love this t-shirt. This 4 t-shirt was the best part of this. $299 है तो ये बहुत ही मटेरियल में कुछ कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ किया गया। नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस मटेरियल, वेरी नाइस। दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अब यहाँ तक अगर देख ही लिया है तो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Now we'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay happy, stay tuned, stay safe. Bye bye.